Hello, welcome. I imagine you're watching this video because you're having a frustrating problem with your Android MiniMed mobile app. This is the official app from Medtronic to view your blood sugar on your phone. And if you use a Medtronic MiniMed insulin pump, you're probably using this app. And this is the application I use on my Android phone so that I can see my blood sugar on my phone and also on my watch. So when it stops working, it's super frustrating. But fortunately, sometimes or often there's just like three really quick, fast things to do that solves the problem. Unfortunately, I have to do this fairly often. I guess there's a reoccurring bug. So let me share this with you, and I hope that this will fix the problem for you. There's a couple of different problems you might come across. If you see the empty shield icon as shown on the left, unfortunately, the instructions in this video will not help with that. The instructions in this video are for the issue on the right where it says reconnecting to your pump, and it doesn't show your blood sugar, and it shows this continuous message reconnecting to your pump. So that's the error state. If you're having that error, this is how I solve it. Number one, I force stop. I make sure I shut down that MiniMed mobile app. On Android, you can long press on the app icon and press on app info, or you can go to the settings menu and then apps. Once you find the screen, open it up. It says app info and click on force stop. Number two, clear the cache. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. Number three, now you are going to restart the app. Find that app in your app list and click on it, and hopefully it will open up and it should say updating. Did that solve your problem? If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments whether it solved the problem or whether you're still having a problem. I'm a software engineer, and one thing I have found is that cache invalidation is difficult. And any Android app, if it's having problems, shutting it down, clearing the cache, and restarting it can often solve the problem. Note that you do not want to clear the data or the storage, only the cache. If you do clear the storage, then you'll have to reconnect your app to your insulin pump, and it's a much more involved process. If that was helpful and you are using a MiniMed 780G insulin pump, perhaps you'd be interested in checking out some products and accessories that I find useful. Go to insulinpumplife.com/shop. That's all I have for today. If you are new here, my name is Linnea May Huxford, and I produce a lot of content about diabetes, especially type 1 diabetes and LATA diabetes. I am the author of the book Success with LATA Diabetes, Achieving Optimal Health with Diet, Exercise, and Insulin. If you know somebody with LATA diabetes, please ask them to check it out. Please look at my other videos here on YouTube, and if you can subscribe, that will really help me out, because YouTube will think that I am producing good, helpful content. So liking the video and subscribing will get more views, and I will make more videos of helpful tips and solutions and personal life experience advice from my life to your life. This is not medical advice. If you're really having any problems with your insulin pump or app at all, you should definitely reach out to Medtronic. This is simply how to restart the app and clear the cache on the app, which is a few quick and easy steps that I have found works for me. And some days I have to do it every single day. Hopefully this bug actually gets solved and nobody watches this video, right? Because it's no longer an issue. The other thing that I've heard that you can try is you can try disabling the Bluetooth and then enabling the Bluetooth again. That can sometimes sort of solve the situation as well. If you're having any problems with the Medtronic website, the diabetes shop website, sometimes I get problems logging into that website. I recommend trying a different browser, incognito window or something like that. But a new browser tab or clearing your cache in your browser can sometimes solve that issue as well. I am a software engineer, and a lot of times the bugs are difficult. So I can understand, and technology is so much sometimes about turning something on and off and knowing all the different tricks. It's a really wonderful thing to be able to see my blood sugar on my phone and on my watch, By the way, if you have an Android watch and you're curious about how to connect it to your Android watch, I will post a link in the description about how I do that with my watch. Let me know what else is on your mind. Leave a comment. Have a great day. Thank you.